Hi, everybody. Tricia here with the answer to the question, how do I know how much filament, metal 3D printing filament my print needs, and how can I know the cost of that? To calculate those things, you will need two pieces of information. First, the density of your filament. Second, the price of your filament. The density can be found on the large label on your spool face or at thevirtualfoundry.com/products. The price of the material will be listed in the online shop where you are buying it. Now you will input those two data points into your slicer. I will show you an example in Cura. You click on the material selection drop-down box and select Manage Materials. From there, input the cost of the material and the density of the material. If you see a range of numbers for density, for example, on the Virtual Foundry website, we recommend putting in the higher end of the density to get your estimation. Then import your model and slice it. In Cura, the cost and time to print will be in the bottom right corner. Now here I'll use an example with some made up numbers. We'll look at the Virtual Foundry copper. I'm going to input the density from the spool face, and that's listed as 4.7. Our diameter is 1.75. That looks good. Let's say the filament cost is $100 for 500 grams. So here we can see it will take 32 minutes to print the universal calibration rings. It will use 23 grams of material and cost $4.52. That's it. Happy printing, everybody. Hi, everybody. Tricia here with the answer to the question, how do I know how much filament metal 3D printing filament,